What is up, guys? This is Josh the Gamer here, coming at you with a brand new video. So in this video, we are going to be continuing on our Quorum game development series. And in this tutorial, we are going to be covering linear damping. Now, what is linear damping? Well, linear damping is pretty much, it's essentially like friction. It pretty much says, okay, with this is how I want you to slow down this object over time. So this affects specifically linear velocity. And there's also an angular damping, but we're not covering that in this tutorial. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get this over with. Nope, I don't want to enlarge my screen. So what we need to do here is we are going to apply a very small, we're going to apply a little bit of linear velocity. So we're going to go ahead and create a vector2 object for our linear velocity. So vector2 LV. We're going to go down and set that vector. So LV colon set, we're going to say we want it to be a 200 on the X and a good 0 on the Y. We are going to set the player's initial position to 0, 0. So now that we have that done, we can now actually apply our linear velocity. So player set linear velocity LV. Alright, so now that we have that done, we're gonna save it, build it, and run it, and we should have an object that is going to continuously move across the screen. Okay, so for some odd reason, it's, oh yeah, that's right, I forgot about that. 0, 0, well, I can't set it to that. So I'm gonna need to set it to a 150, because that's how tall this is. So 150, and we're gonna set the linear velocity to something higher. So we're gonna say 20,000 or something. So no, we're just gonna say 2,000 and see how that goes. So save it, build it, run it, and there it goes. It went pretty quick. Let's say 100 or 1,000, so we can 100, so we can actually see how that's gonna go. So as you can see, it kind of did a little push forward, but because of the linear, because of some of the different things, it didn't go. So we're gonna have to do 1,000 and see how that works. So there's that. It's moving continuously and it's not going to stop. So what do we want to do here? Well, we're going to want to call the set linear damping method. So player colon set linear damping. And then the higher the value, the the more, or the harder the damping is going to be. So we're going to go ahead and do, say, 300, and we're going to see how that works. So it should start slowing down over time at this point. So now it's not moving at all. We're going to go ahead and just set a 30 on that and see how that works. So as you can see, the linear velocity kind of started going a little bit, but it didn't go really far because of the damping. So as you can see there, it started moving, but it slowed down over time, and it went to a stop. So let's go ahead and just we're gonna apply a 1 to that and see how that plays out. So as you can see, it starts slowing down as it gets to the edge, and yeah, that pretty much is linear damping. It's pretty easy to understand. All you need to understand is that it's like friction. However, it's really not friction. So yeah, that pretty much will do it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you all in the next video where we will be covering angular damping.